Determine the equations of the normal to the circle at the point 0, 0. Let us begin. So here we will first try to find out the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point 0, 0. For that, we'll start with the given equation of the circle. We have 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 4x minus 6y equals to 0. So let's divide each of the terms with 3 so as to make the coefficient of x squared and y squared 1. So we get x squared plus y squared minus 4/3 of x minus 2y equals to 0. The reason why we are writing our equation of the circle in this form, because now we will be comparing it with the general equation of a circle, which is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. So our goal will be to extract the values of g, f and c from the given equation of the circle, and once we have done, we can easily define the coordinates of the center as well as the radius of the circle. So let's do that. Now here we have 2g will be equals to negative 4/3, which means the value of g comes out to be negative 2/3. Then we have 2 times f, that becomes equals to negative 2, which means the value of f will be negative 1. And here there is no c value, so we'll consider c to be equals to 0. Now the center of the circle will be defined as having the coordinates negative g comma negative f, which means that our circle is going to be centered at 2/3 comma 1, and the radius of the circle is given by the equation square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So this will be equals to the square root of squaring g is going to give us 4/9. Added to squaring f gives us 1, c value is 0, so we have square root of 13/9. Now this is the radius of the circle. Now let's try to find out the equation of the tangent to the circle, equation of the line which is tangent to the circle at the point 0, 0. So here we have the circle centered at 2/3 comma 1 with a radius r, which is square root of 13/9, and we can find out the equation of this particular tangent by using the point form. The point form of a tangent is given by x times x1 plus y times y1 plus g multiplied to x plus x1 plus yf multiplied to y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. So here the constant g, f and c are the same as the ones that we obtained from the equation of the circle. x1 comma y1 will correspond to the point of contact, which is 0, 0 in our case. So let's substitute these values here. So we have x times 0 added to y times 0 plus g, so g value is negative 2/3 multiplied to x plus 0, and f value is negative 1, so negative 1 multiplied to y plus 0, we have the c value, so that's 0 as well. This will be equals to 0. Now we're left with negative 2/3 of x minus y equals to 0. We can multiply throughout with negative 3 to get 2 times x plus 3 times y equals to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent to the circle at that point 0, 0. However, our goal will be to find out the equation of the normal. To find out the equation of the normal, all we have to do is first find out the slope of this particular line. The slope of the tangent line, comes out to be, let's call it m. This will be equals to, so if we rearrange this equation in the slope intercept form, which is 3y equals to negative 2x, y will be equals to negative 2/3 of x plus 0. So our slope intercept form, which is given by y equals to mx plus c. So our slope value m, that comes out to be negative 2/3. If this is the slope of the tangent line, then we can also find out the slope of the normal line, because the normal line will be perpendicular to the tangent line. So the slope of the normal line, let's call it m1, so that will be equals to 1 negative times 1 over the slope of the tangent line. So that means it will be positive 3 over 2. And this normal line also passes through the point 0, 0. So we can find out this equation using the point slope form. So the point slope form is given by y minus y1 equals to the slope m times x minus x1. So here we know the value of the slope of the line, and we also know the point through which it passes, which will be x1 and y1. That's 0, 0. So we're going to get y minus 0 equals to 3 over 2 multiplied to x minus 0. Well, we have y equals to 3 over 2 times x, which implies that our equation of the circle, equation of the normal is going to be 3x minus 2y equals to 0. So that's the equation of the normal to the circle at the point 0, 0.